Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools, where we dive into the tools and tech that make your automotive life easier. Today, we're checking out the VDIAGTOOL VD70, a bidirectional OBD2 scanner that promises professional-grade diagnostics at a DIY price. Let's see what it's really made of. Inside the box, you get the VD70 scanner itself, a sturdy carrying case, the OBD2 cable, USB cable for updates, and a user manual. Right out of the box, it feels solid and well-built. The 7-inch touchscreen is bright and responsive. And yes, it's Android-based, so it feels familiar. The 2025 VD70 OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool is designed by professionals for automotive technicians, workshops, and DIY enthusiasts, ensuring no unnecessary costs are added to the price. It provides OE all systems diagnostics, 36+ reset functions, bidirectional control, and ECU coding, etc. With 2+ 64 GB storage, an 18.25 watt-hour battery, and 3 years of free updates. It's built for both immediate and long-term use, offering dependable support for a wide range of vehicle maintenance tasks. VD70 OBD2 scanner offers 36+ services, including oil reset, EPB, BMS, throttle adaptation, injector coding, ABS bleed, crank sensor relearn, and TPMS reset. It also provides vehicle-specific functions include reset, adaptation, initialization, and calibration. These capabilities help you perform comprehensive tasks like system reset with ease. This auto-diagnostic scanner supports advanced ECU coding for specific European vehicles for VW, for Audi, for Skoda, for Mercedes-Benz, for Mitsubishi. It also enables ECU coding for BMW, for Volkswagen, for Jaguar, and for Land Rover. From coding and component matching to adaptive data resets, this scan tool helps you flash hidden features and match components after repairs or replacements. With full system diagnostics, the VD70 Automotive Diagnostic Scanner covers essential vehicle systems such as engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, brake, chassis, and more. It allows you to read and clear codes, access ECU information, view live data streams. You can export data as CSV, record, playback data, view freeze-frame data, and perform active tests and services all with one car computer diagnostic tool. 150+ models, 10,000+ cars covered, and 16 language options. The VD70 is a comprehensive OBD2 scanner compatible with over 99% of US, European, and Asian vehicles, making it an essential tool for technicians, DIYers, and repair shops. With support for 16 languages, it's designed for global use, simplifying diagnostics across various markets, changing the menu language to Spanish, French, etc. Pros: pro-level features, great vehicle coverage, responsive touchscreen interface, no subscription fees. And cons: it's not as fast as some higher-end tools when scanning full systems. It lacks some advanced ECU programming functions, but that's expected at this price. That's our look at the VDIAGTOOL VD70. I'm impressed with how much functionality this thing offers for under $400. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and keep wrenching smart.